So friends, we are going to deliver another lecture, that is construction number second, to draw a parallel line to a given point at a given distance. So here is distance is given here. So for first method we are observed that to draw a parallel line to a given line, distance is not given, but in this case the distance is given. The construction second to draw a parallel line at a given distance from given line. So that is the 2 mark question. Now we are going to construct the line at a given distance. So here is the single method, only single method, and we are going to draw these lines. Okay, so here we are going to draw a given line. So draw line. So this line L. Okay, this is the line L. Now, so we are given the 2 points. So here to draw a parallel line L at a distance 2.5 centimeter from that line L. So here the 2 points considered as 2.5. So here the distance is given. So this distance is given. Consider that distance. Here one more point is given here, and that is also 2.5 centimeter. So these 2 points are given. So these are the point P and point Q drawn outside a given line, and the distance is calculated here directly. This distance is given. So this distance is nothing but we have to draw that distance, or here we have to draw a perpendicular at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So this distance is given. This point is also given. Okay, this is the point, or one more. So pay attention here. This is the set square 60 and set square 45 are given here, and by sliding slowly the set square 45 on set square 60, and we have to draw a given line. So here is the point. Just mark that point, and this, by connecting the point P and Q, here we are getting the one more perpendicular, and here is the distance M. So the segment PM is the perpendicular on line L. Also we have marked the second point Q. So this second point is given by giving the point on this line. So by plotting the point Q outside the point, now we have to draw one more perpendicular from the point Q. So this is the marking, and we are sliding this set square up to the point Q. So mark this point. So we are marking the 3 point on near to the point Q, and connect this line, or connect this segment on line L. Okay, so segment passing through point Q is connected, or that will be meets at point N, getting the one more right angle at point, or we are getting the perpendicular. So here we are going to say that, so segment PM, so that is the perpendicular to line L. Also segment QN perpendicular to line, same line, that is line L. So hence we are, so here the perpendicular drawn on same line, so perpendicular drawn are same line, or perpendiculars drawn on same line are parallel to each other. So this is the property of the two perpendicular on same line. So these two segments are perpendicular on same line, hence these two segments are parallel to each other. Hence we are saying the segment PM is parallel to segment QN. So this is the property of the two perpendicular on a single line or same line. Now we are increasing this two, or we are extending this line up to the upward direction. So this is the line Q, name it as line Q, and here is the line S. So now we are going to say, so about the line that is nothing but the so this line is nothing but these are the 2 points where the point P is given here, or 2 point is located near this perpendicular, another point is located here at named as the point Q, and we are connecting these 2 points or here by getting the point. So this, by connecting this line or by joining the same points P and Q, we are getting the same parallel line. So this name as line M. So by joining the point P and Q, so we are getting the one more line, that is nothing but the line Q. Now if we measure this distance, so this distance is 2.5 centimeter. So this is also distance is up to the 2.5 centimeter. Here is also the distance is up to the 2.5 centimeter. So both the distance are of same length. Hence these segments are parallel to each other. Also these segments are congruent. Okay. So here we are getting one more property here, that is nothing but the segment PM. So that is congruent to segment QN, or we are getting the length of segment PM is equal to length of segment QN. So these are the by property. So we are firstly draw line L, then take 2 points A and B on the line, then drawing the perpendicular from point A and B, then take 2 points P and Q on the perpendicular at a distance 2.5 centimeter from point A and B. Then we are drawing, or we are joining the point P and Q with each other. Hence the line PQ is parallel to line L at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So these are the type of the construction, or we are going to second construction on same property. So these are all about the how to draw a line parallel to given line.